Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're gonna go to the beach. Okay, because we just feel like it, and also it's summer, so we wanna make good use of this season until winter sets in. So come with us.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across.
I go pack some things.
This is the chair. We have two of them, two chairs. This, I'm just gonna coil this inside so my baby will just play with it. So snacks, I have some tea, some rice cakes, some crackers, some sandwich, and we'll have to take with us some water as well. I'm gonna get a 1 liter water, which we will need.
Is this good?
Yes, my baby is dressed and ready to go. You have something to say, Tahila? Hello?
No, I got nothing to say.
Sweet mango.
Mango.
So sweet.
Mango.
Mango. Very tasty.
Sugar.
Sugar.
For your glory.
Bye. Lagi salam. Hello.
Never the sun on my face.
Lila, wear your glasses. Your feet. Guys, we made it to the beach. It's quite a little bit more sunnier than I was expecting. In an hour time maximum, the sun is going to go down.
Are you sure about that?
And you'll not see this beautiful sun shining on my face. But until then, I'm happy to bring you here with me. So yeah, look, everybody's busy.
Walking around like regular people.
So beautiful, very beautiful, guys. Look at the sun, so beautiful. Guys, see how the chairs have been arranged beautifully, but it's not for free, bear in mind, and it's not expensive either. Whoever stays right by the beach, wow, they really enjoying this moment. Just seeing the sunset and go is everything. We bumped into this builders.
That's beautiful.
I just had to go closer to take a beautiful shot of this amazing castle. I had to go put my feet inside the sea to check the temperature, and I just knew it's gonna be warm because it was hot on that very day. Let me just take some quick pictures. I think it's the best time for me to get inside of the water because my baby is sleeping, so I'll have the time on my own for myself.
What a lovely view.
I must say I can't swim, but it feels good to enjoy the sea. How beautiful, guys. It's so nice. The sun is going. Oh my god. I'll tell you what, when I got out from the water, it was real freezing. And I'm like, why? How is this happening when it's not even winter? But I guess it's science. I have to research. Guys, I still can't believe why my baby is still sleeping. She's supposed to have fun. But anyways, this is a short clip of her the week before the day we went to this beach. She really had so much fun. But there is nothing I can do because it's late and we have to go home.
Time to eat.
So I'm to eat some juicy sandwich that I made with some rice cakes that I prepared from home. Feeling better now, I mean warm, so vibing whilst eating. Like, why not? It's just so calm down here. And guess who joined?
Oh, now it's dancing.
I don't think so. No, no, no.
It's my husband's turn to be in the sea now, and I guess he's having fun because the sun has completely vanished. My baby just woke up and she's having her yogurt as snack. We need to rinse our feet from the sand. On our way out, this is a menu we saw for one of the restaurants. And guys, this is how beautiful it looks like by the sea during the night. Look at this beautiful light. And of course, people are still walking, having fresh air. And this is the super farm, which is often open 24/7. You can get your drugs, deodorants, baby stuff, and all health items, really. So guys, this is the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and hope to see you next time in my next vlog. See ya. Bye guys.